Learn how to make over $700 a week just by chatting through these websites. Make money online. Welcome to another episode of Profitability Plus. Today, we'll explore an intriguing opportunity, making $700 a week through text-based side hustles. We'll dive into the details and ensure you're well informed before you start your journey. Let's get started. In today's world, the prospect of earning money through texting may seem unconventional. However, we've researched and identified 10 legitimate websites that claim you can make a substantial income by sending text messages. We've sifted through numerous options to present you with the best opportunities available. Before you embark on this adventure, let's ensure it's a profitable side hustle and not just wishful thinking. Our first platform, Texting Factory, connects businesses with text message marketing professionals. You can become a chat operator and earn an average of $300 per week, but we'll show you how to make $700. The role involves answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You'll need fluency in English, be 18 years or older, and have a computer or tablet with a reliable internet connection. The best part? No prior experience or qualifications are necessary. Simply sign up, create your profile, find jobs, apply, complete them, and start earning. To reach that $700 weekly goal, look for jobs paying at least $70 per day. Suppose you find a job that pays $100 for a single SMS marketing campaign. Completing it in a day means you've earned $100. If you secure similar jobs throughout the week, performing 5 each week, you'll accumulate $500. To achieve $700 weekly, complete 8 jobs on Texting Factory. That's 1 job from Monday to Saturday and 2 on Sunday. It's that simple to make $700 with Texting Factory. Dexkings.com offers another opportunity, allowing you to earn up to $700 weekly by texting. You'll work as a text chat operator, getting paid per message. To maximize your earnings, maintain honesty, reliability, and professionalism when interacting with clients. Building strong relationships is key. The platform even hires adult chat operators. You can earn around 7 cents per message, translating to $10 to $14 per hour in a 40-hour week. Sign up on Text 121 Chat and you're on your way to making $480 a week. Chat Recruit is an alternative where you can make money by texting, chatting, and even webcam interactions. You set your rates, with the site taking an average 35% commission. Operators earn approximately $2.5 per message, meaning you need to send 8 messages per hour to reach the $700 weekly goal. Think about the numerous texts you send daily to friends and family. Why not turn that into profit? Flirtbox offers a unique angle, allowing you to earn money while flirting online. You can make around 40 cents per minute, and a commitment of 40 hours could potentially yield $960 in a week. Sign up by visiting their website, submitting the necessary documents, and agreeing to their terms. If you're comfortable with light-hearted flirting, this could be an intriguing opportunity. Chat Operator Jobs is another platform offering text-based earning potential. You can earn about 20 cents per message, resulting in approximately $480 per week for a 40-hour work week. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you'll receive payments via PayPal, bank transfers, or checks. Friendly, spelled with a PH, operates as a social media network app, enabling you to earn money by chatting with other users. You can make approximately 35 cents per minute, potentially reaching $840 in a 40-hour week. Payments are made via PayPal or direct deposit. Working Solutions provides various work-from-home opportunities, including texting and chatting roles. Payments are based on a per-minute or per-call basis, usually ranging from 20 to 30 cents per minute. With a 40-hour week, you could make around $600. Sign up on their platform, pass the required test, and start earning. Needle offers chat support services to clients, allowing you to make money from the comfort of your home. Payments are processed through PayPal or checks. Sign up, complete the application, and pass the test. It's a straightforward process, and your earnings can range from $400 to $700 per week, depending on your commitment. Now, as you explore these opportunities, remember that success in any of these side hustles depends on your dedication and consistency. Each platform offers its unique advantages, and you can choose the one that aligns best with your skills and preferences. Friendly's relaxed chat environment allows you to engage with users while making money at your own pace. It's an excellent option if you enjoy casual conversations and building connections. Working Solutions provides a versatile range of remote job options, ensuring you can find a role that suits your strengths. Whether you prefer text-based tasks or chat interactions, you have the flexibility to adapt. Needle's chat support services let you assist clients from the comfort of your home. Your ability to provide helpful responses and maintain a professional demeanor will contribute to your success. Ultimately, whether you aim for $400, $600, or even $700 per week, these text-based side hustles offer accessible ways to boost your income. The key is to choose the one that resonates with you, maintain your dedication, and watch your earnings grow. Now that you've learned about these opportunities, it's time to take action. Sign up for the platforms that caught your interest. Follow the application process and embark on your journey toward a more profitable side hustle. With that, we conclude this segment of Profitability Plus. We hope this information helps you make informed decisions about your side hustle endeavors. If you found this content valuable, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more insightful insights. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck with your side hustle journey. So, there you have it, 10 legitimate opportunities to make money through text-based side hustles. Before diving in, carefully consider your interests and skills. Each platform has its unique features, so choose one that aligns with your preferences. Remember to practice professionalism and maintain integrity in your interactions. With dedication, you can turn texting into a profitable venture. Thank you for joining us in this episode of Profitability Plus. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and consider subscribing for more insightful context. We look forward to helping you explore new avenues of income. Until next time, take care.